Hi there, I'm Seth. I'm a product specialist here at Mobile Stairlift. Today I'm going to walk you through assembling the Atlas Stairlift, a powered lift designed to help individuals move safely in their wheelchairs up and down stairs with caregiver assistance. It's a great solution for stair transport at home or on the go, especially for those users who do prefer to remain in their wheelchair, eliminating the need to transfer into a separate chair or climbing device. Here's what you'll find inside of your Atlas packaging. The Atlas wheelchair stairlift frame. You're gonna find 2 wheelchair rear wheel supports, 1 battery with 2 keys, the charger, and the instructional manual. Now let's go ahead and take a look at how to assemble the Atlas wheelchair stairlift. To start assembling the Atlas, place the unit flat on the ground with the tracks facing down. Locate the 2 wing bolts on the black frame near the large back wheels. Remove the bolts, then lift the black base frame vertically and reinsert the bolts to lock it upright. With the unit upright, press down on the red levers to engage both rear wheel locks. This keeps the unit stable while you complete setup. Loosen the turning knobs on both sides and slide the red rear wheel supports into place. Tighten the knobs to secure them. Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna slide the battery down into the compartment and use the key to lock it into place. Lastly, you're going to install the safety seat belt. Attach the safety seat belt to the frame by inserting the end with the buckle through the end with the loop around the Atlas frame. Adjust the strap length so it can fit securely across the wheelchair frame and comfortably around the user. Always use the seat belt during transport for added safety. And that's it. Your Atlas portable wheelchair stairlift is fully assembled and ready to support safer stair transfers. Now, before using this lift, always refer to your product manual for detailed assembly, requirements, use, and maintenance instructions. If you happen to have any questions about this lift or simply looking to find out more about our other products, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching.